Hi, my name is Rishabh Gandhi. I'm CEO of TechSense India, which is a edutech company. From last 15 years, we are into education technology industry. एंड हम लोग जो सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं आज की डेट में वो जो भी बेसिकली क्लासरूम्स में स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स लग रही है वी आर डूइंग दैट टुडे आई वांट टू स्पीक अबाउट स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स आज का एक बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन है आर द स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स रियली स्मार्ट So on this topic, I would like to speak. And smart classrooms जो मैंने देखे थे, like when we started our work 15 years back. So that time AV rooms होते थे. Audio visual rooms एक स्कूल के अंदर होते थे जहाँ पे all the student used to go in one classrooms. Batches wise उनको पढ़ाया जाता था and maybe around 3 to 4 hours a week they were spending for learning that. और आज की डेट में जहां पे सारे एवी क्लासरूम्स एवी रूम्स एवी सॉल्यूशंस हैव कम टू द क्लासरूम्स सो आज 40 आवर्स स्टूडेंट इज स्पेंडिंग एवरी वीक विद द डिजिटल मीडिया विद द डिजिटल हार्डवेयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स सो आज मैं ये जर्नी जब मैंने देखी है इन द इंडियन एजुकेशन सेक्टर फ्रॉम एवी रूम्स टू IFPs सो आई वुड लाइक टू स्पीक आज के डेट में इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट लाइक आर द स्मार्ट स्कूल्स रियली स्मार्ट बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स आर वरिड आर जस्ट आस्किंग द स्कूल्स के हाँ क्या आपका स्कूल स्मार्ट है तो बहुत सारे प्रिंसिपल्स आर अनअवेयर दे आर बाइंग जस्ट द सॉल्यूशंस एंड पुटिंग इन द क्लासरूम्स एंड नॉट नोइंग लाइक आर दे बाइंग द राइट सॉल्यूशंस सो आज मैं इसके बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ कि lot of things which you can take care while buying the smart boards. Let me take you from the journey of the AV rooms. From the AV rooms, then the things came of interactive board in the classrooms. So ये phase आया तो हर classrooms में interactive boards लगते थे, computers, speakers, projectors, वो based solution था. So lot of hardware was used in the classroom. So now आज हम जो डेट में आ चुके हैं there are lot of advanced solutions which is AI based. The best solution these days which can be put in the classrooms is on the hardware side is IFPs. The full form of the IFP is interactive flat panels जहाँ पे computer, speakers, everything is integrated into one solution. So smart boards आने के बाद there was a very big revolution. So earlier what happened is lot of teachers weren't using the solution because उनको क्लास में आने के बाद काफी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़ते थे इंटरैक्टिव बोर्ड करो उसको कैलिब्रेट करो स्पीकर्स चालू करो एक 10-15 मिनट्स टीचर के वेस्ट हो जाते थे एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द टीचर्स वर नॉट यूजिंग द सोल्यूशन आज वो टाइम पे स्कूल्स हैव स्पेंड लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज आज एक स्कूल का सोल्यूशन का कॉस्ट देखेंगे व्हेन इट केम for 50 classroom solution, maybe a 50 classroom setup for an interactive board earlier was costing around 1 crore rupees. These days, the IFPs have come into place. IFPs में क्या advantage होता है कि it is a one all-in-one solution जो एक आप smart board लगा दो board classroom में you don't have to put anything else. And आजकल इतने advanced IFPs आ गए हैं wherein AI is integrated there's a inbuilt OPS so I would like to speak about what can be done these days in the classrooms so आप smart school अगर genuinely बनाना चाहते हैं first thing switch from all the traditional methods to IFPs because hardware wise this is the best solution you can go for in the current date but yeah one very important point like IFP लगाने से क्या school smart हो जाता है सिर्फ IFP लगाने से हो जाता है नहीं सो IFP लगाने के बाद you need a lot of things which you need to take care of in this date there are around 25 to 50 brands selling IFPs कोई चाइना से है कोई कोरिया से है इंडियन मेड है lot of claims lot of products I'll not get into all that that is for the school to be the best judge but I would like to give you points where you can decide which product and how you should go about that solution. So जब एक स्कूल डिसाइड करता है कि हाँ मुझे आज स्मार्ट स्कूल बनाना है it's the need of the hour every school is going for that every colleges are going for that then मुझे क्या करना चाहिए so first thing I should go and survey the market I should put in the inquiries in the market and when the main and the most important thing I should see the demo in my campus itself I should call the providers to come to my campus, so you will understand what the product actually looks like and how is the feel. Then you should go with the brands. There are a lot of non-branded and branded products, but आप जब एक IFP का solution सोच रहे हो, you should go with a solution which is going to last for at least 5 to 10 years. Minimum life should be 5 years, and 5 year solution सोच रहे हो, so lot of things are there which you should take care of. Because एक product लेना, लगाना, it's a very easy task. We Indians are a different set of people. हम कुछ लेते हैं तो we want to use it to the maximum. So in that case, you should go with branded IFPs, because उसमें क्या होगा, you will get a lot of support and service, जो normal IFP में difficult हो जाता है. Because as normal TVs का आप देखेंगे, mobile phones का देखेंगे, the same way this is an electronic gadget which is used in the classrooms, but so certain important points for the educators. So क्या होता है, as educators you have lot of responsibilities. आज मेरा mobile phone खराब होता है, TV होता है, I can still go and work it out. But as a educator, I have lot of responsibilities in the school. I need to take care of 1,000 students. I need to take care of 2,000 parents. It's like running a corporate company. तो आज मैं एक एक IFPs, एक एक कंप्यूटर में चेक नहीं कर सकता हूँ if it is running or not running. I don't have a maintenance company. So that is why we should go with a branded company which has at least 5 years experience in the market. We can go with these kind of solutions. जब IFP buy कर रहे हो, it should have a integrated because these days there are two kind of IFPs. One is only Android based, one is with OPS. So आज मैं एक सजेस्ट करूंगा कि आप अगर वो Android के साथ जा रहे हो तो minimum configuration which you should go for is Android 13. Maybe in a month Android 14's IFPs will be there, and you should also check the benchmark score of the product, because benchmark score what it helps is the speed of the IFP. So आप बेसिक जैसे फोन्स के लिए चेक करते हैं, सेम थिंग यू कैन डू विद द IFPs एंड चेक द बेंचमार्क स्कोर. सो आपको समझ में आएगा कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ IFP परफॉर्मेंस इट इज गिविंग. बट माई रिकमेंडेशन पर्सनली वुड बी विद OPS, बिकॉज आज मैं एक हार्डवेयर ले रहा हूँ, आई एम ऑलरेडी डूइंग एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 1 लाख, 1.25 लाख, 1.5 लाख. सो एक 20-25,000 का OPS सोल्यूशन इज ऑलवेज रिकमेंडेड, इंटीग्रेटेड सोल्यूशन, so that आपका again the very critical point of maintenance goes away, because एक inbuilt OPS advantage ये देता है कि the maintenance will be taken care by the company. Secondly क्या होता है, OPS लेने के वजह से Android cannot be much upgraded. It is similar to phones. If you go from Android 13 to 14, 14 to 15, performance slow होते जाएगी, उसके आगे support नहीं मिलेगा. IFP की life is much higher. The life is more 50,000 hours comparatively 15 years की life. So Android उतना नहीं चलने वाला. So OPS advantage होता है कि you can keep upgrading the OPS, and that's a very big advantage. Secondly, OPS is basically a computer, the heart of the panel. कंप्यूटर की वजह से आपको बहुत फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिल जाती है. These days the teachers are more equipped with using their laptops already because of post-COVID era. Teachers are making presentations using Excel, Word, PowerPoint, various tools for teaching. And with OPS, there's a big advantage that they'll be using this panel more in the classrooms. So आज हम जब solution teacher के हाथ में दे रहे हैं, we should give all out. We should give all solution possible so that they do use it. So very important question which you should ask the brands is, are you giving 3 years or 5 years training also along with the panel? Because आज टीचर को सिर्फ हार्डवेयर देना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, उनको उतना ही ट्रेनिंग देना भी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो गो विद द ब्रांड्स हु इज गिविंग ट्रेनिंग थ्रू आउट द जर्नी ऑफ योर पैनल्स, बिकॉज ट्रेनिंग की वजह से टीचर्स को हैंड होल्डिंग मिलेगा. दे विल बी मोर हैप्पी टू यूज द पैनल्स, एंड एज एन व्हेन यू विल हैव न्यू स्टाफ, न्यू टीचर्स विल कम इन, यू शुड बी गेटिंग फ्री ट्रेनिंग्स throughout the period. So these are very important questions which you should be asking. And panel के अंदर आपका सबसे important heart होता है panel का software. So software is basically the whiteboard software which you get along with the panel, जो digital classrooms को run करता है. So whiteboard software, when you are choosing choose it very wisely, because पैनल तो आजकल मार्केट में काफी सारे अवेलेबल है विद स्टैंडर्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस, बट सॉफ्टवेयर इज द थिंग विच इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड थ्रू आउट. सो सॉफ्टवेयर हम लोग ऐसा ले जिसका अपग्रेड्स फ्री हो लाइफ टाइम के लिए, जो कंटिन्यूस अपग्रेड्स जिसके आते हो, एंड सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा हो which is AI integrated in these days, because AI is a very important tool and very helpful tool which is going to be used in the classrooms. So these are some of the key parameters which you should be looking when you are buying a smart board. So when you take care of all these factors, I think with branded and non-branded products, there's a difference of around 20% in the price, but one should always go with the branded products, which will give them a long-term relief, and the solutions will be used much more. So coming to the conclusion of my speech, I mean, the main thing which I wanted to discuss was, are the schools really smart? So give it a thought that what all are we doing to make the school smarter, and we are not providing just the hardware just for the marketing purpose. We are actually giving a solution for the students and the teachers. Thank you.